Hey everyone, so here it is on your request 5 tips to help you speak English fluently and confidently. And these are not your regular tips like speak more often or read more books. These are advanced, researched, and tried and tested. And of course, easy techniques to help you speak English fluently and confidently. So today I'm going to give you 5 tips and one bonus tip to make sure you watch right till the end. Hey, this is Dr. Monica with you from Digi Online Academy for the discussion on 5 tips to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Before I begin to give you 5 tips on speaking English fluently and improving your communication skills, I request you to subscribe the channel and hit like if you like this video. We have 2 videos already on how to improve your English and how to speak better English, and I'm going to put those links as well in the description box. And let's, without further delay, get straight into those 5 tips to help you speak English more fluently and confidently. So tip number 1, it's called learn in chunks. Now imagine if you were to build a house and you have no experience in construction or architecture. And if you get to source these ready-to-use walls and windows and doors and ceilings, all you have to do is piece them together like a jigsaw puzzle. And how about that for making it interesting and easy to build your own house? You were told to build that house brick by brick. It might seem impossible, and you may even give up before completion. But what if you were able to? The way you solve a jigsaw puzzle, likewise when you are learning English. A simpler way to put it together is, instead of full sentences, you can learn a few of simple small sentences and just use them by removing a word and then put another word again remove a word and put another one. It's actually easy that way if you practice. Let's talk about tip number 2. It is to sound well prepared. Here is another quick and easy tip to help you sound like a pro. So there are a few common themes that tend to appear in most conversations, interviews, or even English language tests. Talk about yourself, talk about your family, maybe your hobbies or your favorite discussion, about your most memorable moment or your most challenging moment, or to talk about your goals and your aim in life, or even talk about what do you do to stay fit, or your daily routine. Now, here I tell you the cheat code. Prepare 4 to 5 lines on each one of these common topics. Show them to a friend or a senior who is fluent in English. On a mission to improve reading, speaking, and listening skills of our learners, at the Digi Online Academy, we offer most affordable live practice sessions to the students and also one-on-one classes to remove the hesitation and low confidence in the learners. Download the app on Google Play Store. App version, web version, or desktop version can be used to enroll for the new batches. Links are given in the description of this video. We will be your speaking partners. Kindly follow us on Facebook. Like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the regular updates. When you are learning English, you can read books or watch several English movies with subtitles. But the only way to really get fluent at spoken English is to speak English. But the challenge is, who do we speak with? Because our friends kind of make fun of us, and our family sometimes is not so fluent in English. So the question is, who do we actually speak English with? So I went out looking for an expert that I could speak to whenever I was free, someone who would not judge me, and that they would guide me and help me improve my spoken English. I came across some mentors, which I highly recommend to you as you go log on to the Digi Online Academy app. You will see a list of several tutors, and there's a rating given there, and there's also their experience mentioned. So why don't we give a call right now to one of them and see how this works? And hey, I have a question for you, for my viewers. Okay, what is that one secret tip that you want to give an English learner to help him overcome the fear of learning a new language? Because I tell people all the time, in my opinion, there is really no secret to learning. There is probably no secret to learning how to play guitar or how to bake a cake or something like that. People can give you tips to help you, but there's not like a magic secret. It's just practice. Don't worry about making mistakes. You don't need to worry about grammar. Just about communicating. As you progress, you can start to think about grammar more, and the more fine points, but just practice. So speaking to them and listening to them not only helps me improve my speaking skills, but also my listening skills. So I approached some mentors. So I advise you to approach mentors and feel free to talk to them. They will correct your grammar mistakes and they will correct your sentence structure and make you perfect. Our mouth, lips, tongue, and 70 facial muscles are involved in our speaking ability. All need to get used to speaking these new kinds of words. So this tip is going to help you gain that physical fluency. So here is what you need to do. Take a passage or a short passage. It should be approximately at your level possible, but a bit challenging. Now read that passage and time yourself. Second time, overread the passage again and time yourself again. And do that one more time till you find that you're beating your own time record. I saw my friend at a party, but she ran away. In this sentence, ran away can be stressed or under stress part of the sentence. Also, sometimes within a word, there are stressed or under stress parts. Another thing you need to pay attention to is when someone's asking a question, you will notice, especially if it is a yes or no type of question, the intonation tends to go up. So for example, can I borrow your book in college open today? So you notice how the tone tends up to go up, especially in questions that I guess knowing the answer type questions. Now, mastery of this rhythmic contrast is stronger in your own domain or area of interest. Now, that's the 5 tips on improving English speaking skills. But before we get to the bonus tip, I want you to put a comment in the comment section under this video to tell me which of these 5 tips you like the most, and if there is any other strategy that worked for you while you're trying to learn English. So it helps us to know what are the good strategies that you're using and you're appreciating. So I'll be waiting for those comments. And now the bonus tip. The bonus tip is called observe and copy. So observe good English speakers. They could be on the news, on the movies, or TED Talk. You can observe them, read the subtitles, hear them, pause and copy. And when you're copying, pay special attention to pronunciation and intonation. Now, intonation is that combination of stressed and unstressed words, which I taught you, that create a natural rhythm. For example, the statement, what's his name? Now the his becomes unstressed. What's her name? The her becomes unstressed. I'll be back from college at 2. It's not from college. It's I will be back. So that's all from me for now. I hope really that these 5 tips and the bonus tip help you improve your English. We also have 2 other videos on how to use good English phrases and how to improve your English pronunciation. And I'm going to drop links in the description box and you can go back and watch them also. Please put a comment under this video of what other videos you would like us to cover, so I know what you're looking for, and press the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like our work, and happy watching. In case you need the videos in Hindi, please do let us know in comments. We'll try to make videos in Hindi too. Enroll now for new batches. Download the app Digi Online Academy and start